Okay, we used our belt sander on our head here to shape this down. We got our center mark there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our shaping tool here with our Dremel, and we're going to further shape this down to get it to fit a little more rounded, because you want this to fit even with the bottom of your head into the body. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions, put them in my comment section. I'll get back with you. You can see how we're starting to round this down, so we're going to continue to do that. Then we'll go to our sander here and sand it down some. Thanks for watching.